Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is basically 42nd part of the PHP Advanced. In this 1% of the Sunil, basically you displayed a long before one variable, right? Basically one variable equal to PHP. What was that actually? Yeah, we basically still we are confused basically. So that basically we will clear in this video basically. Assume that basically I am writing PHP $PHP equal to variable name. Sorry, any value or any variable basically. So let's basically start with one value India, because I am in India, so I have to write down India. So PHP $PHP equal to India. So what is going to basically happen then? Because if you assign one variable also basically it is connecting to 10,000 20,000 city basically, but here basically I have written PHP $India and India is one value basically. So what is going to happen? It is going to connect to entire India basically. If I write Indian, then basically this actually was supposed to be tested by the PHP group, and without testing basically it got integrated with the other group basically. This was actually supposed to test by C++ group basically and C group basically, not by the PHP group basically, because PHP is created from C and C++. And C and C++ is also created from some DOS operating system. I don't know basically from where it got created. So like this Noval is created from, everybody knows. So like this basically Noval is also basically created. Lots of people says basically whether it's, but mostly basically it's created in C and C++. But Java technology is totally different basically. Its look and feel is totally different. So here one of the percentage, if you assign $PHP equal to world, $PHP equal to A, $PHP equal to 1, $PHP equal to star, $PHP equal to hash, $PHP equal to 9, $PHP equal to 3, $PHP equal to C, $PHP equal to F. What is basically going to happen? And it's, I am 100% sure basically it's going to connect to I don't know where. So this was supposed to test basically, but mostly basically it might not have tested. So now basically after this video basically the group basically who has not tested, that basically you have to test basically. So that basically the C and C++ group basically and PHP group basically, they have to test that basically. So you can just imagine basically check this basically. I am 100% sure basically it's going to connect to where basically it's very difficult to connect also. So in next video basically we have to do.